Forest Falls is a lovely mountain community that features a day-use picnic and hiking area. It is located northeast of Redlands, California, and is situated in the National Forest off of Highway 38 in an area known as Mill Creek. The day-use area is found at the end of the Valley of the Falls Drive. Forest Falls has an elevation ranging from 4,800 to 6,200 feet and has an annual rainfall of 25 inches. This mountain community is home to 1,100 people and offers clean air, safe living, and the ability to experience 4 seasons. Forest Falls offers a variety of hiking trails, including Big Falls, which is a 0.3-mile trail that leads to a beautiful waterfall overlook. Big Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in Southern California with a reported drop of 500 feet. Before 1862, Mill Creek Canyon was filled with mature trees, blackberries, ferns, and other plant life. In December of 1861, a large subtropical storm known as a Pineapple Express hit and an estimated 66 inches fell in the mountains in just 30 days. By February, Forest Falls was underwater and the once fertile land full of trees and good soil was left with nothing but sand and gravel. Many years later, Mill Creek Canyon was finally restored and cabins were built, establishing the strong community there is today. An environmental issue that Forest Falls faces today is littering throughout the forest. When walking towards the Big Falls Trail, an individual will first see a sign that indicates rules for this area. One of the rules states, "Please don't litter. All trash and litter is to be placed inside trash bins located in picnic area and parking lots." This makes hikers hopeful and ready to enjoy the scenic and natural beauty of the falls, but disappointment is the only thing that can be felt because of the trash, graffiti, and glass that can be seen throughout the length of the trail, at the waterfall lookout, and at the overflowing trash cans by the picnic area. The community of Forest Falls puts a huge emphasis on not littering because it is their home. On their website they state, "Please put all trash in the trash cans furnished in the picnic area up at the end of the Valley of the Falls Drive or take it home with you." This includes anything that you towed into the area, like bottles, cans, trash, baby diapers, etc. They pollute our creek and environment. If the Forest Falls website is not enough to persuade individuals to not litter, there is a pack it in, pack it out ethic for disposing of waste properly. This ethic states that an individual cannot bury, burn, or leave extra food or litter in the wild. This includes cigarette butts, fruit peels, and hygiene products. An important aspect to this ethic is the recommendation for hikers to keep trash bags handy in order to pick up litter left by others. Cigarette butts are something that is frequently seen on many hiking trails and not many people are aware that this causes harm to the environment. Most cigarette filters are composed of cellulose acetate, which is a form of plastic. The white fibers in a cigarette filter are a form of plastic. They are not biodegradable and can live in the environment for many, many years. Wildlife has also been affected by hikers leaving trash, mostly food, in the campground. Human food is not meant to be consumed by wild animals because they can actually die from ingesting too much food with flour base. Microorganisms found in flour-based foods can cause food poisoning and can contaminate leftover food on the campground. The most important reason to not leave food out is because the animals will become accustomed to processed food. This will lead to the animals to be unprepared to hunt for themselves if they are not able to find human food themselves. It is important to look at the bigger picture before you litter. How will this affect the environment or the wildlife? If an individual plans to go on a hike and is planning to bring food, a tip is to bring a trash bag with you so you can throw away your trash as you go. Not only this, but you can make the extra effort to pick up trash that others have left behind. Another tip is to bring your food in reusable containers. That way you can put leftover food inside and you are not wasting. The most important tip is to educate others. When you see trash on the trail, take a picture and pick it up. Share the picture with your friends and let them know how they can help the environment. With all of these tips, you can start to bring the natural beauty back to our hiking trails.